Okay, welcome everyone. This is Gabriel, the Forex Helper, and I just got through making 3 videos on overcoming that human impulse to operate on fear and how it is not going to benefit you, especially if you are looking to become a wise investor, especially if you're looking to use our system, being a part of our network, understanding how things operate according to our network, according to our strategy. You can't deviate outside of the strategy. You can't operate the way you think you could. If you can, but it won't be compatible with our system. So check out those 3 videos. They're pretty long, but the information in there is gold. All right, it's gold, it's diamond. Especially if you're interested in becoming a wise investor, especially in these times. I'm telling you. And these videos will be more consistent, and you'll be able to see them every day and see them how they're going, and seeing the charts just going up and up and up and up. And again, you got to align yourself also with our system. Okay, so I'm going to go through these accounts, and I'll be collecting profit on these accounts. So that first account here that we collected profit on, and this is the profit that was collected on our first account here. Okay, and let's see here. Let's go ahead and oops. All right, anyway, reopen this. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna go through some of these accounts that we place trades on, and this is March 13th. So I made videos on some of these accounts. They made profit yesterday, the day before. They made profit for the week. So we'll look at their weekly profits and see what's going on. Or to make it go a little bit smoother, quicker, I'll just go ahead and collect on them, and I'll do some commentary on some of these accounts here. All right. So this individual, they're at $106 or $7 in profit. So I'll go ahead and collect. Now again, I'll make some commentary. Like I said, all of this was in red, okay, when these trades were made. All right, some of them matured early. These trades are placed according to current market movement, which means that they are anticipated to make, or let me just I'll phrase it in this terminology. They're anticipated to mature anywhere from 1 to 5 days. Okay, all right, so this individual, they made their profit. Okay, so $216 they made profit for today. All right, so, and I'll see now some of these. Now here, this person, they look like they are not in profit yet, so some of their things haven't matured yet, so we have to let it mature, so you get an idea how it works. Same concept. Now, should they worry? Of course not. Shouldn't worry at all. Just have to wait and be patient. Okay, some seeds mature faster than others. All right, some seeds mature faster than others. All right, this person looks like they freaked out, took their money out. Okay, that happens too, and that's exactly the kind of stuff that we don't encourage you to do. Don't freak out. You're gonna see the things drawdown happen. It's just a drawdown. All right, this person, let's see, they collected $90, so they took their profit, and that was enough for them. All right, and we'll place trades on there starting next week. We'll leave that alone. All right, let's see what's going on here. This person, they're down about 148, but let's see, did they collect? Oh, there you go, they did collect. They collected $321 for the day. Okay, and we'll go ahead and collect that $108 for them here, and that $11 there. And so that makes their total for the day $441. And we'll leave these so that they can mature. All right. And because they're all going according to the current market movement. So there's no need for me to do anything. And that would be foolish for me to do anything at this time, unless the market tells me to do so. All right. Okay. So let's see what's going on with this individual. Okay, they collected $71 already. Okay. So you can see that you can get an idea of how this works. All right. This is how it works. It's about being patient, waiting. And now their margin level percent is at 1,000. They're not going to blow their account. You're not going to blow your account if your margin level percent is good. All right. All right, see what's going on with this individual. All right, so they took their $9. They should have left that one going. They would have made more. All right, but it's okay. No problem. They were afraid of what was going to happen. So, okay, so let's see what's going on here. This individual is currently running at negative 172, but they collected their profit for the day, 118, and we're going to wait for the rest of their profits, their seeds to mature. All right? And their margin level percent is very fine. They have nothing to worry about. Okay, so this person is at a negative 53. They collected their profit. All right. Okay. See, and they made their profit for the week. Okay. A smaller account. Okay. So they're in profit. They're just we're waiting for that to mature for them. Okay. So see, this person here have some to collect. Let's see. Like they closed out a couple things here, so we'll collect on. Actually, you know what? We'll leave. This is not really a lot of profit to collect yet. Their margin level percent is good. They just need to wait for maturity to take place. All right. Let's see what's going on here. All right. This person here, they're up $72. We'll go ahead and collect that for them. All right. And the other seeds, will wait for them to mature. And the market's going to close in about an hour anyhow. And when the market reopens, we'll play some trades for them. All right. See, let's go a couple here. All right, this individual, we'll collect some profit for them, and then we'll wait for the rest of the other seeds to mature. All right, and that's pretty much how it works. You just pretty much wait for them to mature. And I'm actually going to end there at this one here, and they collected $126 for the day. All right, so I'll end it right there for now. There's just a lot on here, and then I got to send the memos out for the rest of these to be collected as well. All right, so I don't ever want anyone to come away with the idea that this is easy money. All right, it can become easier, but that comes with discipline, patience, and that discipline and patience has primarily everything to do with you as a wise investor. You as a wise investor, okay? So if you have any questions or you're interested in the services that we provide and you're looking to learn more, or if you're looking for account management, if you're looking to use the signals that we provide with the with our daily financial report, contact us. This is Gabriel, the Forex Helper. Happy trading. Happy investing.